You can now use AppMap Navie, the first AI software architect, with your existing corporate-approved Google Gemini LLM backend. Let me show you how it works. First, in VS Code, if you're using an existing GitHub Copilot backend, change the language model back to the AppMap provider to disable GitHub as a backend. Now, we'll go into the code editor settings to adjust the AppMap environment variables to support Google Gemini. Search for AppMap in your settings list and go to the command line environment section. Fill out your Google web credentials with the full JSON file you received when generating your access keys for Gemini. If using JetBrains, follow the same steps by opening the settings, searching for AppMap, and then adding or editing the AppMap environment settings. Then restart your editor. Next, when you open Navie, you'll see the Gemini backend configured. Now, we can use the power of AppMap Navie with our Gemini backend. We can use features like Review, which provides actionable insights on various aspects of code, ensuring alignment with best practices in areas such as code quality, security, and maintainability. We can then use Navie Plan to generate a detailed step-by-step implementation plan to resolve the code review. And we can also use the generate command to focus Navie on code generation specific to the AI-created plan. To learn more about AppMap Navie, head over to appmap.io.